Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review apps to help you make a little bit of money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Cash Giveaway, which is an app I've been using for about 6 years, and it is very reliable. Okay, let's open up the Bitcoin Cash Giveaway app, and at the top you're going to see hourly claim available. And that is available once an hour, every hour. You just click on it, you'll get 2 spins for free. So you spin the first one and we get 36. Spin the second one, and what you want to do is get one of those lit up ones, and then it'll take you to the top, and then you get the other one, the lit up one, and hopefully you win the jackpot. For these purposes, we're going to cash in 69 Satoshi. And like I said, you can do that once an hour. Another thing you can do is the bonus claim available. You have to watch an ad for that, and then you'll get one of those 4. Then there's also offer wall rewards. So you can look at these if you'd like. They're very similar to other offer walls that you'll find on other apps and websites like this. I like the Make Money offer wall. And the reason I like this one is because you can click this watch and earn and follow the instructions, and you can let this play overnight while you're in bed, and you'll wake up and you'll have Bitcoin Cash in your account just by these videos playing and the ads playing in between them. So I can't really talk about these other offer walls as much because that's kind of the only one that I would recommend using without doing too much more research. Once you've got your Satoshi in there, you need to get 10,000 Satoshi before it'll automatically make a withdrawal to your Bitcoin Cash wallet. And then to set that up, you go down to the control panel and you're going to add your registered wallet to your account. And then, like I said, once you get 10,000 Satoshi every week on Tuesday, it'll just automatically withdraw there. And yeah, I've been using this for 6 years, and it just stacks up Bitcoin Cash. It's a great app. There is a referral program with this app, so I will leave that link in the description. And if you could help click on that, it would help me out to make more videos like this, and I would really appreciate it. If you're looking for a wallet, if you don't have a cryptocurrency account or one that accepts Bitcoin Cash, I will leave a link for a wallet that you can create as well. That's going to do it for Bitcoin Cash Giveaway. If you are interested in more apps to make a little money, just go to getpaidwithapps.com. You'll find a bunch of apps right there that you can sign up with today and start making money. We'll see you in the next video.